Hey everybody, Bob at Gamblin's here. So I actually got a really funny story for you guys today. So you know how at car lots they have those ramps that they park cars up on so more people can see them, like one of those right there. Well, I hate driving up and down those things. It's just nerve-wracking. I don't like it. Can't really see where you are. You got to have someone spot you. I guess if you're really good, you could probably do it without that. But one day, I'm with my coworker Patrick, and he's spotting me while I drive up on the ramp. And I had got him earlier in the week with some kind of a prank. I can't remember exactly what it was. So he's guiding me up. I have all my windows down. I'm going nice and slow. Then all of a sudden he yells, "Stop!" super, super loud. I'm like, what is going on? So I rolled on my window. I said, "Patrick, what's going on? I'm afraid to move. I'm afraid that something's wrong. I'm going to fall off or something's going to go terribly wrong." And he looks at me and he goes, "I don't know what you did, but I got to figure this out. I'll be back." So I'm sitting there and barely breathing, foot on the brake. I'm afraid to put it in park because I think any shaking is going to do something wrong. It just so happens at that point my wife was pulling up here to the lot. So she comes running up after I see her car drive by and goes, "Oh my God, what have you done?" So at this point, I'm like freaking out, like, I don't know what's going to happen. And then I look back and they're both just cracking up at me. And it was Patrick's way of playing a joke on me to get me back for something I had done to him earlier in the week. So I hate driving up on these ramps. I don't know why they haven't invented one that's a grid all the way across without actual ramps, just one solid ramp. But anyway, that's a story for another time. Come see me, Bob at Gamblin's. I can help you out with any of your vehicle needs, new, used, car, truck, or SUV. We've got them all, and I'd be happy to see you. Reach me at 919-229-9238 or stop by here at Gamblin Motors main lot.